Hi everyone, welcome to my cake vlog for today. So here are the cakes I got from Walmart. This one is a carrot cake for $5. That's 6 inches, and this one is a $10 cake that's 8 inches. All in all, I got it for 30 bucks. And I'm just taking out the icing. I know it's so pretty, but I have to, because we're gonna create something new, and I hope that I'll do justice on the cakes. Just trying to take out the colored ones. And you know, it's my first time making a cake. I don't have any experience baking a cake from scratch or decorating a cake. So it's my first time, so I hope you'll forgive me for the mishaps. I'm just trying to cover up the cake with icing and smooth it out. Yeah, lovely icing. But there's the mishaps. This is my favorite part, you know, like smoothing out the icing. I love that. Smooth it out again. So I've got to put some buttercream on top so it sticks, so the cakes stick together. I got it from Walmart. Time for layering. So this time there's a lot of gaps to be filled. I just put more icing, and I think the colors, it doesn't matter since it's gonna be covered with the fondant later on. And now I'm just trying to smooth it out. Ta-dang! There's my cake! And there's the fondant. You know, I failed on my fondant because I tried to do it from scratch. I bought several marshmallows and then I heat it, but then it got so melted. I didn't get the right temperature, and so I tried to redeem it by putting more powdered sugar. But it turns out a little bit stiff and very thick. So these are the consequences when you do something wrong in the beginning. Same with our lives, right? There's always consequences. And I almost gave up on making my cake. But good thing that I did not give up. I still, you know, move on and finished what I've started. And I think that's what's important in life. We just need to move on. Whatever mishaps you've been into. Look at that. You see there's a lot of mistakes that I did here. But as a first timer, I think it's forgivable. And this is the second layer. And same thing, I failed for the second time around with my fondant. Very thin. Like, it's hard to get the perfect texture. Maybe when you're experienced, I guess, you can get the perfect texture. But as a beginner, I have a lot to learn. And so there's the cake. So it's been chilled overnight. It's now time to put them together. It looks better than before. And I'm happy. I'm happy that even though it doesn't look perfect, but it looks like a cake after all. So I'm happy with that. And I'm just trying to put on the paper rice sail. I watch a lot of YouTube tutorials to be able to put this together. And there it is. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog about redecorating a cake, and I will see you on my next vlog. Thank you very much. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.